At Driwood, we are makers. Makers of the finest hand-tooled wood ornamental moldings. Using hardwoods, never PVC or composites. Our artisan makers use care, skill, and precise methods to transform wood into elegant moldings, millwork, and trim. Since the early 1900s, we have made cornices, casings, paneling, moldings, and trim. With over 500 architecturally correct moldings in stock, we have moldings for any project from any period. Architecturally correct means that groups of our moldings are designed to work in sets and assemblies with correct proportions for the size and height of the room. Our work stands the test of time and changing styles.
We had a particular client come in one afternoon and needed to match up some molding from a residence they were working on. It turns out that it was a hop called Barony plantation. They were matching some moldings, and I wanted to see if our run that we did today was the same as it was done then. So I took a sample of ours and put it up next to it, and it was exactly the same as it was done back in 1935.
Along with our artisans, our vintage precision equipment allows us to create exact replicas of hand-carved architectural details. We are makers. We are Driwood, home of architecturally correct moldings, millwork, and paneling. From our extensive stock of wood, through our artisan tools and machinery, and craftsmanship, to finished projects, Driwood is your trusted resource for architectural moldings.